Since 1663, New France has been governed according to the principles of absolute monarchy. In short, all power comes from the king. He chooses his ministers and appoints the administrators who are sent to the colonies. People cannot vote, cannot protest, and cannot even gather for political purposes. Nevertheless, the government takes the needs of the population into account and ensures that everyone is treated fairly in order to maintain social peace. From his palace in Versailles, the king gives general directives to the Minister of the Navy, who is responsible for the colonies. The minister sends his instructions to the governor and the intendant. The governor is responsible for military and diplomatic affairs, while the intendant is responsible for civil administration. The Bishop of Quebec, who is responsible for religious affairs, has great influence at first, but is gradually sidelined from politics. Like the governor and the intendant, he has a seat on the Sovereign Council, the colony's highest court of justice.